Want to get your hands on BONK, the hottest meme coin on Solana? In this quick video, I'll show you exactly how to buy BONK using USDC through Paytrie and Jupiter DEX. Let's dive in. Head over to Paytrie and log into your account. Select USDC on Solana and choose the amount you want to buy. For this example, let's say you want to grab $100 worth. Enter your Solana wallet address. You can use wallets like Phantom or Brave. Just copy and paste your address carefully. Time to complete the payment. Paytrie will guide you through using Interac e-transfer. It's a quick and easy process. Click on Pay with Interac, then select your banking institution from the list. Log in and accept the transfer. Once the transaction is complete, the funds should appear in your Solana wallet. Please note that this process can take up to 60 minutes. Now that you've got USDC in your wallet, it's time to swap it for BONK. Head over to the Jupiter aggregator website and select USDC as the token you're swapping from, and BONK as the token you're swapping to. Enter the amount of USDC you want to swap for BONK, review the rate, and hit Swap. Confirm the transaction in your wallet and wait for the blockchain to process it. Once the transaction is confirmed, your BONK tokens will appear in your wallet. That's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more easy crypto guides, and drop a comment if you've got questions or want to see more tutorials like this.